everyone! Welcome to our science experiment about sound energy. Here we have a water with food color, 4 glasses and spoons. As you can see, all glasses are empty. And if I tap the spoon in the glasses, all glasses produce same sounds. Now I put the third one. Okay na yan. Okay, so then the half one.
Half full. Half. You add more.
Hey, add more.
Should be half full. Half.
That's okay.
Half. Oh, that's enough.
Then the next one. Yeah. No. Okay. Then the half.
And then the last glass.
And then the last glass. A little bit.
Just a small amount.
That's good.
That's too much.
Okay. Let's pull it back so it will be small now. Come on. Oh, this is...
Okay.
Now let's tap again the glasses and listen to the sound I make. What is the difference between our first tap and second tap? The first glass makes low pitch, and the last glass produces high pitch. When there is more water in the glass, the pitch is lower because the glass is vibrating slowly. When there is a smaller water in the glass, the pitch is higher because the glass is vibrating faster. That's why each glass has different sounds. We can also make a music using the glasses. Now, let's try. Keann, turn.
It's Keann's turn.
Where?